What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Heavy rotation. It is DJ Pyro here, and today we are going to do pretty much a two-part video. The first one is we're going to remove the VHT Nite Shades, this right here. So this is currently what I have on my tail lights. As you can tell, when I put them on there, I did not spray them evenly. I need to add one more coat to the middle section, but the reason I am taking them off is because how the lights look when they are on. So they are currently off, and I'm going to turn them on just so that you can see what the lights look like when they're actually on. So as you can see, this is a 2012 Dodge Challenger. However, my tail lights resemble the 15 Plus, and that is because I did have them converted over. And I love them, by the way. So now that you can see what the tail lights look like, I'm going to see if I can zoom in a little bit so that you can see like the texture that they have on them. Okay, so if you look closely, you can see how the paint is kind of textured, and that is not the look that I want. I want a smooth finish. Okay, so I've seen some videos of how to remove the VHT Nite Shades, and I've seen it done one of two ways. One is to use 1000 grit sandpaper and wet sand it, which I honestly think that was the best way of doing it, and it looked the cleanest overall. The other way was to use brake cleaner. I have quite a bit of brake cleaner because I switch out the brakes on all of my vehicles, so I'm just actually going to use the brake cleaner because I already have it. I don't have the 1000 grit sandpaper. I really don't feel like going to the store because it is cold outside right now. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first step is to mask off the area that you're going to be working in. Granted, I don't intend on getting anything on the paint. However, you never know. I'd rather just be safe than sorry, even though I do plan on plastic dipping this beautiful machine in the very near future. But for now, we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to grab the brake cleaner, microfiber towel, and something to sit on. You're going to want to spray it on the microfiber towel instead of directly onto the tail lights, because you don't want to accidentally get some overspray and then it'll start dripping. But if you spray it on here, it's going to be contained, and then you're just going to wipe on there. So let's give this a shot. See, it is coming off. However, it is taking a lot of work. So I think I really might go get a wet sander, because I can use my orbital sander for that. But let's keep going. 5 to 10 minutes now on the right tail light, and as you can see, it does work. That's actually not as bright as the lights are supposed to be, so I am pretty sure that I'm not going to get them all the way back to the factory brightness, but for what I am doing, that should be fine. I'm going to go ahead and do the left side, and then I will work on the middle, and then I will be back once the whole thing is done. Alright guys, welcome back. So this is with the VHT removed as best as I could get it. As you can see, the tail lights are actually pretty bright. They're definitely brighter than stock. I'm going to turn them off real quick so you can see what they actually look like without the lights. Oh, it's cold. So as you can see, they are back to red. They look fairly uniform. I know in the video, the right one looks a little bit darker in the video, but in person, they look pretty much the same. What I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to hit them with a little bit more brake cleaner one last time, just to get them a little more uniform, and then I am going to wash them with some soap and water and rub it down with alcohol, and we will call this job complete. I will be right back, and hopefully it's not too dark by the time I'm done. Welcome back. As you can see, these are the tail lights completely cleaned off. See how much brighter they are? So now what we're going to do is we're going to do a mod, but that will be in the next video. Thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe.